I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now.
So you literally can lower your stress in 5 minutes. It's worth it. If you're at a minimum of $3,000 a month and 550 credit score, we have a program for you. And even with that program, you can use a personal bank account. You do not need a business bank account for that. Again, you only have to be in business for 3 to 4 months on that one. Some of our high-end loan services and products that we offer require 2 years in business, okay? 685 credit score. 685 credit score will get you the very best rates that we have. Up to $2 million, no prepayment penalty if you want to pay it off early. A lot of people don't like interest, and if you're rolling a lot of cash through the business on the upper end, you can take out one of these loans, pay it back quickly. It can be done and over with even before you were to request your bank and they start asking you about a business plan and about tax returns. While they're doing all that, we'd be wiring you the money. So take time, 5 minutes out of your day, businessloansconnect.com. Try to understand how to immediately reduce your stress and start thinking about growth again. Thank you.
Appreciate you, David. Good morning, guys. I'm super fired up today. I've been having a really good morning, really fired up, got a lot of energy flowing through me. So I wanted to bring that to you guys today in the huddle, but I'm going to get right into it. Why we're here, right? There's 6 out of 10 business owners out there who are the rock stars. They're making it happen. We are here. The company is here is to serve those business owners and make sure that if and when they ever need us, they know about us and they have that shoulder to lean on, which is all of us, right? The DAC team.
Company in Florida, they needed working capital. And then we had a therapist. I think this might be one from last Friday as well. At $25,000 in California, and they need working capital due to late insurance payments. We are going to,
with over 20 years of experience and have a high net worth client base. Whether it has been a $250,000 line of credit for one of my medical practice clients or putting together $5 million funding for one of my IT research clients, the staff at Potomac Mutual Trust ensures expedited closings with an errorless process.
Apply now, just click the link below. Act fast. Act.
I was seeking financing for a rather complex financial transaction. I had seen where Potomac Mutual Trust had worked with others in the tech sector. They quickly broke down my needs and were actually able to provide me with the funds needed ahead of schedule.
If you don't like waiting for approvals but still need funds fast, then Potomac Mutual Trust is your go-to.
The great thing about these programs is that you can have your funds within 24 to 48 hours, depending on where you are in the evolution of your business. If you're in the startup phase, 6 months up to a year, there's a program available, and you actually only need 500 FICO score.
An abrupt halt.
If you're at the 2 year
fast, I received an instant approval and the money I needed to keep my business going. Thank you, Potomac Mutual Trust.
Bank said no, don't lose another day. When traditional lenders slam the door, I say yes, you can apply in 5 minutes. Get funded fast. You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.